Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Greg Jones with Engine Builder. Today we're in Fayetteville, Georgia, just south of Atlanta. We are at Scott's Auto and Machine. I'm joined by owner Scott Dooley. And this right here is a 455 cubic inch Buick, and it's our Engine of the Week.
Engine Builder's Engine of the Week is sponsored by Pengrade 1 and L-Ring DOS Original.
Scott, it's great to see you.
Yes, sir. Same here.
Thanks for having us in the shop today.
Sir.
You know, this is a build that you guys have just about completed here in the build room, this 455 Buick. And we would love to know a little bit more about it. You know, you guys are pretty well known for doing a lot of vintage restoration type work, and this is kind of an example of something like that. So if you would, tell us kind of how this build came to the shop.
Well, customer's doing a complete restoration with some upgrades. And so while he was doing all the body work and the painting and everything, he just decided that it obviously wanted to go ahead and go through the engine as well. Yeah. So we get the engine, and basically it's just some mild upgrades. Upgraded the pistons to a stronger piston, bored home with torque plates. This one's using the stock crank, stock rods with ARP bolts, some mild upgrades on the cylinder head, and of course it'll get a Edelbrock intake manifold. So getting close on this one right here. Just got to finish up some push rod lengths checking and get the correct push rods for it, and she'll be ready to go home.
Very good. So Scott, you mentioned some of the machine work, the larger pistons. How about some of the other internals? I think you mentioned like the crank is still a normal stock Buick crank.
Stock Buick crank, balanced. We ground the crank, reground the crank, okay. Balanced it, reconditioned the rods, of course, with ARP bolts. A little better valve. And like I say, the camshaft edition, just a mild performance cam.
And where's the cam from?
It's the comp cams. Yep, comp cams, Edelbrock. I believe the pistons, if I'm not mistaken, this one right here are the Icon pistons from Silverlight, Keith Black, Silverlight, United Engine and Machine. Yep. Other than that, of course, new timing cover. These Buicks are bad about timing covers. Okay. So that's pretty much it on this one right here. So
Scott, you mentioned it's kind of just some mild upgrades in terms of some of the components and whatnot, but does that contribute to some more horsepower for this guy?
Yeah, somewhat. You know, it probably when she's all over said and done, I'm guessing probably have 400, 450 horsepower maybe. So it's not a pro stock or anything like that, but it'll get the little Skylark on down the road, I'm sure.
Yeah, very good. And so this is going to go into a Skylark or something like that?
I do believe that's what this one came out of, yeah, doing a frame-off restoration on it.
Very good. Scott, anything else about the build or just any other machine work that we're leaving out?
Can't think of anything. Of course, you know, a nice multi-angle valve job, resurface on the heads, guide work. You know, we try not to cut any corners on our engine builds.
Yeah, very good. Well, Scott, we appreciate you telling us about this. It's not often we see Buicks these days
It's not.
in a lot of shops, so it's very cool to see it.
That's true.
Well, Scott, we appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Glad to have you.
Guys, that's been this episode of Engine of the Week. Make sure you guys are checking out everything that Scott and his team are doing here at Scott's Auto and Machine. And as always, make sure you're checking out enginebuildermag.com for more great engine content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. Hey, while I've got you guys here, I wanted to tell you about Find a Builder. It's a new microsite on enginebuildermag.com that's great for both engine shops and for potential customers looking to get engine work done. If you're an engine builder, this site is a place where you guys can list your shop and what you guys do to potential customers through enginebuildermag.com. It's an easy subscription-based microsite that'll let you guys connect to a new audience. And if you're a potential customer looking to get engine work done, this is a source to help you guys find a shop that's in your area or one that specializes in the type of engine work that you're trying to get done. Make sure you guys are checking out Find a Builder on enginebuildermag.com. Thanks.